Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. This is an editing tutorial for the LSP Hallmark Presets in Evoto. This is a really quick and simple way to edit your Christmas minis with gorgeous results. Beautiful image here up on my screen by Lucy at Lucy P Photography. I absolutely adore editing with other photographers' images just to make sure these presets work for everybody. So the first thing you do with these presets, you can watch video number 1 for how to install them and get started. It's literally just a click. We select an all-in-one first. You do need to set your own white balance and exposure, which is really quick. This image has got perfect white balance and exposure. I like classic with this one. It's making the background glow, but I'm going to keep going through to something that is going to be really kind on our subject's skin and making sure that the image looks beautifully balanced. You can go through and find the one that works best for you and your image. Oh, I do like Workshop, and it's making the background nice and dark as well. I really do quite like that actually. It's more of an evening image now compared to this one, which looks a bit more like early afternoon. That's a really nice change. And you can see these presets edit the skin as well. They do everything for you. And that's just a click. So you just find the one you like, and then you can select other images in that gallery just by holding down Shift and clicking, and you hit sync, which means synchronize, and it synchronizes the preset and the effects that you've applied to the other images. It's just loading up now, and there we go. Bam, it just loaded in there. And this one here is just gonna click on. Now this one is a tiny bit darker than the others, so what we can do with this one on your full images, just bring the exposure up a little bit just to tweak that. So if you've got a lighting change or anything, you're just going to want to go and tweak, and then you can sync that to the other images in the gallery before and after. And that was one click. We haven't even got into the other presets yet. We don't need to. One click and we're done. Beautiful image by Lucy P Photography using the LSP Hallmark Presets in Evoto, the quickest way to edit your Christmas mini images. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.